How to export AutoCAD drawing into Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can export AutoCAD drawing into Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to copy your AutoCAD drawing that you want to export to Word. So open up your AutoCAD software. From there, select your drawing and then copy it. Once you have copied your AutoCAD drawing, you have to open up Word. So after you open it up, here towards the top left corner there is this piece. You have to click on this drop down and here click on Paste Special. So if you have copied your AutoCAD, there you will have an option as AutoCAD Object. You have to select that and after that click on OK. After you have copied and pasted, your AutoCAD drawing will be exported. And that's the way to export your AutoCAD drawing into Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.